Hydro-Québec reports that the latest ice storm was much easier to manage than the devastating 2023 crisis. CEO Claudine Bouchard noted that the 2023 storm was concentrated in Montreal, causing severe urban disruption and blocking emergency services. This week's storm was spread across a wider territory, allowing repair teams to work more efficiently and access affected areas easily. Bouchard explained it's much easier to work across a large territory than to be concentrated on the busy streets of Montreal. In a historic first, crews used a specialized de-icer to heat 735,000-volt lines, a technique never before used during an active storm. With over 2,000 workers deployed, most outages are expected to be resolved tonight. For Hydro-Québec, it's a mission accomplished.